Wow, what a dramatic transformation with this beautiful pixie haircut. Gorgeous shape and texture overall, and I love her ginger hair color. So pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone else going from long to short hair. Ooh, absolutely chic bob style. This one ends around the shoulder length, and then it does feature the curtain bangs to frame out the face beautifully. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see this stunning bob makeover. This one features some beautiful bangs to frame out the face. So chic and stylish. Loving this bob makeover. Next up, we have a color transformation. Now, we don't exactly get to see what color she started off with. But look at this beautiful pixie style. I love the blonde and the yellow pop of color mixed in with the bangs. This is just such an edgy and chic pixie cut. And then we see someone rocking out a cute little pixie. And she gets a nice spiky pixie, switches it up with the style. Nothing like a nice cut refresh. And then here we have someone with very long waist length hair, almost tailbone length. Stylist has the scissors, chops the hair off. It looks like he's doing a nice mid-length cut here. Beautiful swoop bangs to frame out this lob. Gorgeous transformation. Then we see someone with hair around the shoulder length. And the stylist does a nice, chic, effortless bob. Gorgeous. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.